Hello viewers, welcome to my channel once again. In this video we will learn about filter option, which is one of the important options in Excel. So there are two different filters, filter and advanced filter. So we will learn in this video how to use filter and advanced filter, and when do we use them and what is the difference between them. And viewers, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Please watch this video till the end to get the complete knowledge of filter option in Excel. So let's get started. The topic of filter option in Excel. So viewers, we have data on the screen using which I'm going to explain you about the filter option in Excel. This is the data about sales of different regions in a particular month. So let's see how do we apply the filter button to get the desired information quickly on the screen. So to apply filter, select any one of the column header cell, click on data and click on filter. We got filter buttons added to all the columns which were not selected also. Now to remove this filter, again click on same filter button. Similarly, if I want a filter button to be displayed to only one particular column, then choose that column, click on filter. Now you can see we have got the filter button added to only one particular column. To remove this filter, click back, filter. We have two keyboard shortcuts to apply or remove the filter, that is one Alt plus AT and the other one is Control Shift L to apply or remove the filter. So let's execute the filter. Now if I want the filter of region, click on filter button, click select all to remove all the selections and select the desired region name. Now I selected North, click on OK, and you can see on the display we have got only North related details. Similarly, again click on this filter button, choose West, click OK. We got North as well as West details on the screen. To remove this filter, click on Clear. By clicking on Clear, we will get back the original data on the screen. Now let's see how do we use this date column filter. When we click on this date column filter, we got list of all the dates which are present in this column. Just remove the month selection and choose the dates whichever we want. Click on OK. We have got those details on the screen. Click on Clear, date filters. So here we have a lot of options, criterias using which we can filter, that is equal to some specific date, before (115), between, let me select is after 1/5/2020, and another option is before 1/20/2020. So I need the data between 1/5 to 1/20. Click OK. Now you can see on the screen the data is there on the screen. Click on clear. Let me select the sales amount, choose the amounts, click OK. Select all to get the original data list. Number filter for applying conditions greater than 3000. So in this way we can use the filter buttons to get the desired information on the screen. This is about simple filter option. Now let me see what is advanced filter. Let's see. So for applying advanced filter, first copy these column headers to somewhere on the worksheet. Now copy some cell content. Salesperson name I have copied here. Sales amount, region, some specific criteria I have specified in the cells. Now go to advanced filter. Selection is done automatically. If not, we have to select. Choose action as copy to another location. Then click in this range. List range got automatically selected. Criteria range. What is our criteria? Based on what? I need a new list created in another location of the worksheet. So remove this existing cell reference. Choose the region and its condition. Region and condition is West. Click copy to. Remove the existing cell address. Click anywhere on this sheet. Click OK. As you can see here, we got all the West region data displayed on the screen. Similarly, advanced filter, salesperson, copy to another location, copy to this location. Okay, we got Peter details. Now let me apply filter using the sales amount. Select copy to another location. Sales amount greater than 5000. Copy to this location. So whatever the sales amount which is greater than 5000 we have got on the screen. We can use less than, greater than or equal to, whatever the requirement we have. We can specify in that cell and we can select it as a criteria range. So hope the topic of filter is clear in this video. If not, please do comment. Please do like this video, share this video. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Thanks.